Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Ford here with a really cool activity or craft that you guys can do at home with very minimal materials. Alright, so we're going to be making these heart wreaths, or you can make a flower kind of shape out of this, and you can hang it on the wall, or you could just leave it as it is. You could put colored paper behind this. It's whatever you would like to do with it. So I'm going to show you how to actually make this form. And you're not going to need many supplies. You're going to need some kind of paper towel roll or toilet paper roll, empty, scissors, and tape. If you don't have tape, you could use glue, you could use a stapler, something to attach it. If you do not have a paper towel roll, you could roll a piece of paper, tape it, and then you do the same kind of technique that I'm going to show you. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this paper towel roll and we're going to kind of squish it a little bit. It's a little easier to see and cut this when we squish it. We're going to cut a thin piece. We're going to cut very thin piece, and watch, because when you cut these, they like to go flying. So when you get this part, you're going to pinch the one side with your finger, and then you're going to press down this side in, and you're going to be making a heart shape. And what I like to do is I like to tape just the inside of the heart. So you can get a little tiny piece of tape or a big piece of tape. Sometimes the tapes are really large, so you can actually cut them in half. Okay. And then you can tape the bottom part of the heart so that it stays like that. You're going to do it again. All right. You're going to cut it a nice thin piece. Pinch the bottom, press your finger into the top to make a heart, pinch the center part with your finger, and then you have heart. Just be careful, because the toilet paper rolls and paper towel rolls like to fly everywhere. Then you're going to just tape the center. And if you have colored tape or stapler or glue, you can use those as well. All right. Now once you have 2 or 3 of them, then you can start to assemble them together. And you can assemble them by the centers. Okay, so you can pinch them together at the center, and that would be like more of a flower shape, like this. Or you can pinch them at the top to make more of a wreath. Okay, so since I did a wreath already, and I did those at the tops, okay, I'm going to make more of a flower for you guys. And this is if you have a smaller one or you don't have a lot of time. So what you're going to do is you're going to pinch them together here, and then you're going to put a piece of tape in the center and wrap it around like so. Okay, you're going to do another one. Okay, and you can cut lots of strips. Try to keep them the same thickness. Hold the center, push in this part to create your heart. Tape the center part right here. Then you're going to tape it to each other. Get my other piece. I'm going to tape it inside here. Okay, and you can we're going to use a couple of these things, a couple of these hearts, and you can continue, and you're going to keep moving them around until it creates a flower or a wreath. So I probably would add another 2 in here, or 3, and you have a really cool flower. Now when you're finished this, if you have paint, you could paint the edges. Okay, you could leave it rustic looking like the paper towel roll. You could use markers, so if you wanted markers, you could decorate these or color these in. You could hang them with a piece of string. You could hang them on the wall. You could put a colored piece of paper behind it. It's totally up to you, but you can create these really cool, and it's called quilling. This is the technique that we're doing with the paper towel rolls. All right, so I'm going to continue making this. If you have any questions, just ask the questions. You can comment below, but have fun with this. This is something that you can do with very minimal art supplies, and it comes out with a really cool kind of spring project that you could do with brothers or sisters or moms or dads. All right, so I could probably add one more right here, and it create a really cool flower. All right, guys, I hope that you guys learned how to do one. I hope you guys had fun, and I will see you next time. Bye.